My name is Joe Sisler.
My name is Callan Sherd.
My name is Ken Burns.
I'm Ben Ritma.
I'm engineering manager.
Mechanical machine builder.
And I'm a machine builder.
I'm the project manager here at Egan Food Technologies. I do all the purchasing and receiving, all of the procurement on the stuff.
Counterpart to me is an essential tool for what we do here, which is a made-to-order, engineer-to-order OEM manufacturer for food processing equipment. The nicest part about Counterpart was being able to sync your part number information and your drawing information and bind that directly to Counterpart so that that communication goes not just into the system and stays there, it goes into the system and then also talks back and forth, which you didn't see in a lot of other ERP systems.
So our job changed quite a bit. We used to do everything on paper. We used to highlight every part that came in per assembly, had to flip through multiple different sheets. We had packets for each job. With the new Counterpart system, we can go in, just click on engineering orders and open up, and it gives us a drop down. Every job is there, all the assemblies are there, all the parts are there, and it lets us know what's checked in, do we have everything in the shop, and if we do, we're allowed to go pull all those parts and then work on them.
We have a tablet and we'll bring around to machine, and that helps us identify parts that are here and retrieve parts that we need for certain assemblies. It's a really nice system.
Things changed around here now that we have Counterpart. Before we used to track stuff a lot more manually. Like everything would be, okay, parts were received, kind of manually keeping track of stuff and POs and having the vendors keep track of stuff for us. And now that we have Counterpart, you know, we're able to track the stuff more internally. Our receiving is a lot more accurately. Even our costing is more accurately. It's easier to see where we're getting it from. We can allocate from POs that are already out there, even their inventory POs. We're able to do a lot more stuff now that we have Counterpart. Yeah, I don't know how they did it without it, to be honest with you.